the bridge needs to be closed for safety purposes, and you know, we are losing certain highways in the area, and so it's becoming more and more difficult to get around. And so we're asking folks to please get to a safe place and take cover. National Weather Center has said that it should crest at about 62 feet, and so we're anticipating that activity to take place early in the morning, and we don't know really what the impacts will be just yet. And so we're hopeful that the people who we asked to evacuate have taken cover on higher ground. We've never had it at those levels before, so we really don't know what the impact will be. We're preparing for the worst and hoping for the best.